Hey guys, have the hiccups again. Yay. I'm at the lake. You bet. This is my friend Brittany. I'm Megan. And here's the trees outside. Beautiful trees. Oh trees, you're so beautiful. 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66, 66. Here's the golf course, and there's random people in golf carts at the lake. Here's me again in a car. There's some farmer's field thing out the window. It's red building, so it's pretty cool. Let's zoom out. What else? Oh, there's a private sign. Me and Brittany are going to the mall in Dolphin, and we're going to get nails. We're building this house thingy, and yeah, 66, 66, 66. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He'd chuck all the wood that a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He'd chuck all the wood that a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He'd chuck all the wood that a woodchuck could chuck wood. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He'd chuck all the wood that a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Okay.